Hello friends. My today's video is about how do we make a arch beads curtain. In my previous video I have already told you how to make this kind of strings by putting an equal gap in between the beads, and how do we do that, what are the materials that we need to do this. So today I'll only talk about how do we make a beads arch curtain. uh, so my today's video is about a 20 strings curtain. A 20 strings curtain generally covers up a 5 feet area, 4 to 5 feet area. I generally suggest in a 1 feet means one scale, and in one scale I suggest 4 to 5 strings maximum. So like you can just guess, in this much area we'll put 5 strings. So, to make an arch curtain, what is the most important thing is how many beads, the measurement of the strings are the most important thing. Generally, people think that they'll just make one small string, then big like that, and it will form a arch. No, that's not right. Because if we go like that, then it will make a V shape and not an U shape. So you can see here, if we make a small, like let's say this is the baseline, and from baseline if we do, I'll show you 1 minute. So you can see, if we make a small line and then big, if we keep the distance between each string same, then it will form a V shape. But in U shape, generally what happens, like if you see here, from the middle string, the side string, the gap will be less, whereas from here to here the gap will be more. So the like when we move to the bigger strings, the gap needs to be more when in compared to the smaller strings. So for a 20 line arch, I will tell you the measurements that I generally do. I do 6 beads, 8 lines, 7 beads, 4 lines, 8 beads, 2 lines, 9 beads, 2 lines, 10 beads, 2 lines, and 11 beads, 2 lines. So how much this come? 8 plus 4 is 12. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Yeah. So you can just take a note of this. So sorry, this is coming ulta. Okay, I'll share it in the description box. So let's say 6 beads, 8 lines. So how we make the gap then? Like if we make 6 beads and the next one we make 7 beads, then it won't form a arch. So what we do, like exactly 6 beads we will make 2 lines, and after that, after exact 6 beads, what we do is we put a crimp. I'll show you how we do this. We put up a crimp and then we give a gap. I already discussed in my last video that we give a 2-inch gap in between the beads. So if you're giving a 2-inch gap and we want to make let's say 8 lines of 6 beads, then what we do is we will make 2 exact 6 beads, then 2 in 6 beads and half inch, 2 lines in 6 beads and 1 inch, 2 beads in 6 beads and 1/2 inch, and then we'll go for the 7 beads one. 7 beads one will come exactly like 7 beads. So here what happens, this is the 6 beads where ends, we fold 2 lines, that are the middle strings, then the exact side strings of the middle both strings will come 6 beads and half inch. So what we will do, we'll put up the scale, and this extra crimp that I kept now, we'll press it besides half inch. like this. See, if you can see, I kept a gap of ½ inch. So this string will come just adjacent to the middle strings, and then we'll put another crimp and we'll fold and put up the rings that I have already shared in the last video. So like this we will do, and then we'll, in this loop we put a openable ring. I'll show you that ring. That ring also I showed in my last video. Yeah, so this kind of a ring will come. Yeah, like this. So this comes to the adjacent line of the middle string, and then next line will come. I'll not press this one. In the next I'll have another crimp. I'm just saying like how we will do. So the next line will come 6 beads and 1 inch. We'll press this crimp in 1 inch. So you can see clearly here. So 6 beads is the middle string, 6 beads ½ inch is the next string, middle string का side वाला जो होता है, and 6 beads and 1 inch is the next string, and then we'll make a 6 beads and 1½ inch also. So like this we'll make 8 strings of 6 beads. After that we'll make 7 beads wala string. So 7 beads string we will make 4 lines. So 4 lines means we'll make 2 lines of exact 7 beads and we'll fold, and then we'll make 2 lines of 7 beads and 1 inch. We'll not do half and 1½ because we need only 4 lines. So by this what happens, we keep a regular gap, like equal gap between strings. The middle will come like this and then it will stiff down. So if we do properly like this, then we can get a perfect arch. So if you are doing at home, you can just make 2 6 beads, keep it in the middle, and then make 6 beads 1½ inch and keep in both sides. Like we make 2 strings of each size. So keep in both sides, then you make 6 beads and 1 inch and keep in both sides. Like that you can go and you can see it's forming an arch. What we do is like we pack these and then we dispatch it through courier and all. So what we do is we make 2 strings of each, we keep it at one place, and then we pack it from 1 to 10, and then from 10 11 to 20, like that we pack, and from 1 to 20 if you arrange, then you'll get an arch. So that's all about a 20 strings arch. 25 string, 30 string, 35 string, we make it till 60 70 strings also. So all arch will have different measurements. You cannot just go like this is 20 strings, so we'll add just 5 strings to the side and we'll make a arch. That actually doesn't work, because when we move on to a bigger arch, the middle part, to make it synchronized, to make it a perfect arch, the middle part needs to come really slow to the down. So I definitely will share videos of 30 strings and 40 strings, 50 strings. I'll make separate videos, and I'll give the measurements. How do we go about it? If you still have some doubts, like you are not sure how to do it and you didn't understand what I said exactly, then you can just contact me. I'll have my number in the description box. I'll definitely guide you. There is no rocket science. It's just a like matter of thing how we do it, and as we are doing it regularly, so it's little easy for us. For the first time it's definitely going to be difficult for you probably, but you can definitely give it a try. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Bye bye.